Hello my dear students, in the last chapter we studied about the estimation in addition and subtraction. Today we are going to discuss about estimation in multiplication. So this is the continuation of the previous chapter where we are learning about the estimation and the round off. So we'll start with the estimation in multiplication. So I will discuss this with several examples. The multiplication, estimation in multiplication as well as the estimation in division. So examples are written it for you. First of all, the first example is the round of 27 and 84 to the nearest 10 and estimate the product. So how I'll do it? You have to first round off 27 to the nearest number. 27 can be rounded off to 30. We are rounding off 27 to 30, and we will round off 84. 84 will be round off to nearest number, that is nearest 10, that is 80. So you have to find the product. What we have to estimate the product. So here we have to multiply both the numbers. We have first to round off and then multiply both the numbers. So we will do it. 30 into 80 is equal to how much? 30 into 80 is 2400. So answer will be 2400. That is 2400. Now in the next example, we have to round off 427 and 248 to the nearest 100. Here we are saying to round off to the nearest 100. So we'll do the round off to nearest 100. 100 place we have to round off. So 427 if we'll round off, it will be 400. And 248 if we will round off, it will be how much? It will be 200. So if we will round off 248, it will be 200. And now you have to find the product of both the numbers. So product of both the numbers will be first number into second number, that is 400 into 200 is equal to how much? It will be 80,000. So 80,000 will be the answer. So answer will be 80,000. Now we'll learn about estimation in division. The first example is you have to round off 463 and 24 to the nearest 10. So what will be the nearest 10 you have to round off? So rounding off the number 460. So nearest 10 you have to round off. So 463 will be round off to 460. And 24 will be into the nearest 10, it will be round off to 20. So you have to divide, because you have to estimate their quotient, means you have to make a division in this. So we will do 460 divided by 20. We'll do the division over here. 460 divided by 20. 2 2s are 40. 60. 2 3s are 60. So the quotient will be 23. So answer is what? Answer is 23. Now in the fourth example, you have to round off 2791 and 93 to the nearest 10 and estimate their quotient. Now here also you have to round off to the nearest 10. So we'll round off to the nearest 10. Round off to 10. So what we will do? 2790. And round off 93. 93 will be 90. So we have done the rounding off. Now you have to find the quotient. Quotient means you have to divide it. 2790 divided by 90. So it will be how much? First we will divide 790. So 2790. 3s are 270. So 9. 90. Then 1s are 90. So it will be 31. So answer will be, that is the quotient will be 31. So the answer will be 31. When we'll round off to the nearest 10, we'll get the quotient as 31. Now round off 2791 and 714 to the nearest 100. We have to round off to the nearest 100. Round off to 100 place. So what you have to do? 2791 will be round off to 2800. And 714 will be round off to 700. So when we will divide to find the quotient, what it will be? 2800 divided by 700. It will be, it is easy. You can find 4. So the quotient is 4. And the answer to this question will be 4. So in this way you will be able to find the estimation both in the multiplication as well as in division. So if you like my video, please subscribe it for more videos. Thank you.